Hey creative friends, welcome to my channel. And here we are. It is Pantry Cooking for Tuesday. And you know, I had several ideas of what I was going to make, but the way my day went, this is just what's going to work for me. So what I'm doing here is I had to get some V8 because I'm still going to make my Swiss steak and I need some V8. So I had a couple of extra little, because it came in a package of 8, which is fine. So I've got 1 pound of rinsed pinto beans. And I'm going to put those in my Instant Pot. They are not soaked because I've got the Instant Pot. You don't have to soak them. So I'm not doing a lot because it's just me and Brian. But I'm going to put 1 pound of pinto beans in my Instant Pot. And now I should have about 2.5 cups of water. But what I'm going to do to add some flavor is I'm going to go ahead and do 2 of these little cans of V8. So these are 5.5 ounces each. So I'm just going to pour these, 2 of them. I mean, I could do more, but I think this is going to give it a flavor. So essentially I'm doing sort of a kind of a red beans and rice, but this way I can put all these in the Instant Pot and it's going to be awesome. So I'm going to go up to 2.5 cups. I'm just going to add enough water to make it 2.5 cups. There we are. Perfect. So I'm going to put this in on the beans. I want to get a little spoon to kind of make sure that that's all mixed up nice. And I'm just going to pour that over the pinto beans in my pot. This will be quick cooking. The other thing it is, I know that I pulled my meat on Sunday, but I'm not ready to use that big London broil. So I went and got me a pound of hamburger. And I'm going to put that in here too. And I'm just going to break it all up. That's going to cook at the same time. I'm just going to break it up. If you have it frozen, that's fine too. You can use it frozen. But I put this in the fridge this morning because I knew that I was going to end up making this. So that's fine. And now I'm going to put some spices. I'm going to put about 1/2 teaspoon, maybe a little more, of garlic powder. And ground cumin, same thing. A nice heap in 1/2 teaspoon of that. And then some minced onion. I could cut onion up if I wanted to, but I've got things to do. I've got to go up to Vi's. I canned tuna, and I'm going to take that up to her. So I just put about that much. I guess that's probably, maybe two tablespoons. Maybe I'll put a little bit more. There you go. Maybe 2 full tablespoons of the minced onion. And that's that. Now I'm going to put that on in my Instant Pot for 50 minutes, and then that way over that almost hour I'll be able to go take care of stuff. And that's just what it looks like. It's just got some beans and hamburger in there and some spices and things. So I'm going to put this on, and then I'm going to go ahead and set it pressure cook, and I'm going to go up to 50 minutes. And then when I come back, probably at about 45 minutes, I will make some rice in my little Instant Pot. And there we go. So there's that. And I will come back when this is done and the rice is done, and I'll have some greens with that. And so we're going to have, it's kind of a red beans and rice, but not officially. So there you have it. I'll be back in an hour, and we'll see how that turned out. All right, friends, it cooked, and all I did was it just cooked. It's almost like a chili, but not chili-like. I guess that doesn't make sense at all, but it does to me. And then what I did was I put it in this nice serving bowl over some rice, and I've got some spinach on the side. I was going to do beet greens or one of the greens that I'm cooking in my yard, or that I'm growing in my yard. But I had the spinach, and when I went down to the freezer, I just pulled that out too. So it's a pretty good meal. And it was super simple, and it was easy done in the electric pressure cooker, the Instant Pot. Super easy, and it's good for you. So there you have it. A Pantry Cooking for Tuesday meal. I hope you try it. I hope you like it. And as always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.